bli kul då. Always super excited. So one thing that we tend to do pretty much immediately when we arrive to camp is to get all the sleeping gear up so the down gets a chance to inflate, and then you can focus on preparing the fire and all that. One thing that's pretty cool is that the schnozzle for the Expa works for the Sea to Summit, at least for these Ether Light one. I don't know if it works for all of them, but it works for this one, so that's pretty cool. We've collected pretty much everything that we need. This looks really good. Everything is super dry, so it's time to put this guy to the test. And we got the fire steel here. We got the knife. The idea is that he's supposed to be able to make it in pretty much one strike, so to say. It's a lot of pride and pressure on this one here. There's a lot of people that you will embarrass if you don't make this. No pressure. You ready? Yeah?
Där.
Good stuff. Here I go.
It's yummy.
Yeah, it is yummy. How many hamburgers did you eat? 2? That's pretty good. Were they good? I ate 4. Guess no comment on that.
Huh?
What? Nothing. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night. morning, folks. That was a pretty good night's sleep. Albert was a little bit cold, so he crept into my sleeping bag in the morning, but yeah, that was just cozy.
Good morning.
Now it's just boiling some water, getting the breakfast done. We're gonna fry some eggs and yeah, just have a cozy morning, and then yeah, it's time to pack it up, pack it in. Letting the fire, well, the fire is dead and gone, but just letting all the smoke and the fumes die away as well. So we're absolutely 100% positive that the fire is out. It's getting warmer now and it's a lot drier, so it's really important to make sure that the fire is out. And as we mentioned in the last time I think we were out, it's not just that the wind might cause it to ignite again. There's kids running around in the woods, and I know for a fact that they love playing with fire. And if they see something like this, they might start to ignite it, and they're not maybe sure what they're doing. So it's really, really important to make sure that it's absolutely put out, so there's no other person who can by a little help turn it on. They should be somebody who knows what they're doing and somebody that is capable of putting it out again if it needs to be. It's kids like this, they can easily start a forest fire. I know this one can. There will be a lot more how-to videos, some mini adventures like this, and even some bigger ones, and of course the reviews that we're doing. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it in the comments, or I might take it up in a future video. We're trying to do some more live streams and Q&As, just to answer your questions, and in case one person asks the question, maybe there's more people wondering, so we just want to collect it all. So if I don't answer it in the comments, you'll probably see it in a future video. You can follow me here if you like, of course, so subscribe, hit the like button, all that stuff, and we're on Instagram, and I'm on Facebook as well. So if you have any questions, if you rather post them there, you can do that. I will answer on all 3 channels. I think that's pretty much it for this time, don't you say? You want to say goodbye in a normal fashion this time?
Good night.
Good night?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Yeah? It's pretty good. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Be safe, take care.
Ska du göra om kniven?
Ja, vi kan göra det.
Ska du gå?